So, if you're a rational person and are in need of a brand new PC, you may have visited our site at avronasystems.com, which is by the way down in the video description below. And you may have noticed that we have quite a nice selection of PCs, but you may be asking yourself, which one should I buy? And which one is best for me? Well, that's what this video is for, as I'll be going over the PCs we have so you know which one is the best for you. Our PCs are split into 4 different series: System Core, Magic Core, System Storm, and System X. Each are aimed at slightly different budgets, and within each one there's quite a few PCs for you to choose from. System Core is our most budget line of PCs, offering PCs for as cheap as £270. They are based on amazing Avrona APUs by AMD. They're great for things like office use and media consumption, even homework, and are also great at 720p gaming. The most expensive is just £330, and that comes with 8GB of RAM, along with a 120GB SSD and a 1TB hard drive. It's great for someone who just needs a PC that's fast, snappy and responsive at a low cost, with enough space to store everything you hold dear. Next up is the Magic Core series, with the cheapest one being just £400, or just £70 more than our most expensive System Core PC, the System Core Max. All of our Magic Core PCs are based on a B450 motherboard. It's considered to be the best value chipset for AMD Ryzen, and it will also provide you with way better overclocking capabilities and a better longevity of your system, along with access to a way richer feature set. The Magic Core and Magic Core Pro are based on the Ryzen 3200G and 3400G APUs, allowing for great 720p and even 1080p gaming performance at lower settings. But then you start getting into graphics card territory with the Magic Core Max, which features an RX 570, allowing for a nice, smooth 1080p gaming experience, and even open the door for other things such as maybe recording and editing your gaming footage. And then finally, in the Magic Core series, we have our greatest achievement, the PC we're the most proud of, and that's the Magic Core 650. Its name comes from its £650 price tag, which may be considered to be the perfect budget for a new PC. At just for £90 more than the Magic Core Max, you get yourself twice as much RAM, twice as big of an SSD, an upgrade from RX 570 to an RX 590, an upgrade from a Ryzen 2600 to 2600X. Pretty much everything gets upgraded for just £90, making it truly one-of-a-kind experiences and truly an amazing value PC. So overall, the Magic Core line is for people who want even more performance and really want a game on a budget. Next up is the System Storm line. These are mid to high tier gaming PCs that can even do much more than that, and are also based on the legendary Ryzen 3000 series of CPUs, which are known everywhere for the amazing priced performance. These PCs are split up into System Storm 6 PCs with 6 cores, and also the System Storm 7 PCs, which are based on 3700X with 8 cores, with the cheapest one being £760 and the most expensive one being £1,190. Then finally we go into the System X line of PCs. Those are our highest end PCs, and as you've probably guessed by the name, they all use the X570 chipset on their motherboard. These motherboards offer the best possible performance for your CPUs and are the most feature rich of all of them. And the System X series has 7 PCs in it. It's a biggest line so far, and it's definitely a great example of our PC for every budget motto. These PCs are made for people who want to game hard, but also content creators who want to get real work done, as we even have PCs based on the Ryzen 3900 and 3950X CPUs, which have 12 and 16 cores respectively. Plus, our 2 highest end PCs in this line also include 32GB of RAM, which truly make it a dream for people who, for example, edit videos. Like even I use 32GB of RAM in my PC, and it is truly a game-changing experience. But if you want a game, they're of course amazing for that as well, thanks to high-end graphics cards such as the 2080 Ti and 2080 Super. And they're not just any cards, they are factory overclocked, allowing for even higher performance, and you get some great quality of life improvements in these System X PCs as well, such as updates from hard drives to SSDs for your bulk storage, upgrades to AIO cooling, allowing for a way more stylish build along with a way more quiet build, and even in our System X9 PCs, access to PCIe Gen 4 NVMe's. And like I said plenty of times before, with our PCs, you get a way better performance for a way lower price than with other similar services, meaning that we're truly the obvious choice. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this guide through our PCs. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in what I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.